Crocheting a slip stitch seam. Insert your crochet hook into the corresponding stitch on both pieces that you want to join. Work through back loops to keep the seam flat. Yarn over using the working yarn and pull through the stitch on the first piece and the stitch on the second piece. Then pull through the loop on your hook. This creates a slip stitch. Continue working slip stitches across the entire seam. Make sure you insert your hook into each corresponding stitch pair on both pieces. As you work, make sure that your tension matches the tension of the rest of your crochet fabric. You want the seam to be neither too tight nor too loose. Once you've completed the seam, cut the yarn, pull the tail through the last loop and tighten.